I'm Lloyd Chapman. Been farming here at Lavericks Bay for about 11 years. It's my wife's family farm. They settled it in the 1850s, and Harriet is 6th generation, and you're lucky to be here. We've been farming wool for a long time, and it's great to see it's being recognised around the world as a renewable, sustainable product. Animal welfare is important to us here, so we share early summer. It just helps with animal health through the summertime, keeps them clean and tidy, and pre-lamb, which makes it easier on the sheep through lambing and keeps them healthy through the spring. We love working with Wools New Zealand. They guarantee the integrity of our product right through from us right through to the end consumer.